Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Huevos Rancheros. First, let's prepare our delicious ranchero sauce. You'll need about 3 ripe tomatoes, 1 jalapeno, half an onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Roast these until they're soft and slightly charred, then blend them with a 1/4 cup of water and a handful of fresh cilantro. Simmer this vibrant sauce for about 10 minutes to deepen its rich flavors. Next, we'll prepare the foundation of our dish, the tortillas and eggs. Heat about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a skillet over medium heat. Fry 4 to 6 corn tortillas, one at a time, for about 30 seconds per side until they are soft and slightly golden. Then, in the same skillet, fry 2 eggs per person, aiming for perfectly runny yolks, which are essential for this dish. Now for the exciting part, assembling your Huevos Rancheros. On each plate, lay down 2 of your freshly fried corn tortillas. Spoon a generous amount of the warm, smoky ranchero salsa over the tortillas, ensuring they are well covered. Gently place 2 perfectly fried eggs on top of the salsa. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro, a dash of crumbled cottage cheese, and a few slices of creamy avocado for a truly authentic touch. Your delicious Huevos Rancheros are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them immediately to savor the warmth and freshness of each component. For those who love an extra kick, offer some additional hot sauce on the side. This hearty and flavorful dish pairs wonderfully with a side of refried beans or some fluffy Mexican rice, making it a perfect meal for breakfast, brunch, or even dinner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.